Hi, this is Joe White, President and founder of RMAC, here to describe the differences between a loan and a credit card. With a loan, you're borrowing a set amount of money. For example, you borrow $3,000 and then you make regular installment repayments to the lender, who's also referred to as a creditor, and those installment payments consist of principal, the amount borrowed, and interest, which is considered rent on the amount that you've borrowed. After you've done all of your payments to the lender, you'll have a zero outstanding balance and your contract will be done. It's very straightforward. You have a contract where you're making regular repayments, and then at the end of those repayments, you have a zero balance. With a credit card, you have a contract. However, that contract says, here's an amount that you have access to, and you can use up to your credit limit. When, for example, you go to the store with your credit card, if you had a $3,000 limit, you could buy things up to $3,000. You then make payments on the outstanding balance. So if you owed $3,000, you'd typically be making a payment of 3% per month, which would be $90. Now, as you make those payments, your balance reduces because you're paying part of that $90 is going to principal. In other words, the amount that you borrowed. The $3,000 is the amount that you owe, and as you make your repayments, the amount you owe goes down. So once you get down to whatever amount, less than $3,000, let's say you're down to $2,500 that you owe on your credit card, you have access to that $500. So every time you make a payment on your credit card, it frees up money that you can then access right away. That's a major difference between a loan and a credit card. Also, in regards to the types of debts they are, a credit card is referred to as revolving, for the reasons I just explained, while a loan is considered an installment. So if you see on a credit report, a loan is going to have the letter I, and a credit card will have the letter R, both for installment and revolving. The only difference between a loan and a mortgage is that a mortgage is basically a loan secured by real property. Those are the major differences between credit cards and loans, and if you need more information, be sure to check out our website at remac.ca. And until next time, cheers.